How to order coffee in English at Starbucks. You think it's easy to order coffee? Actually, it can be pretty difficult, especially at Starbucks, because they have different sizes and different coffee. The first original Starbucks opened in 1971 in Seattle, Washington. And there are over 33,833 stores worldwide. 15,000 of those stores are located right in the United States of America. Do you have a Starbucks in your city or country? There are two types of coffee. There is hot coffee and cold coffee. Here are some hot coffees. Americano. An Americano is 2 shots of espresso with hot water. Macchiato. A macchiato is a shot of espresso with a little bit of foam milk. Latte. A latte is espresso, steamed milk, and a little bit of foam milk on top. Cappuccino. A cappuccino is similar to a latte. It has espresso and steamed milk, but it has a lot more foam milk compared to a latte. Mocha. A mocha is a combination of espresso, chocolate, and steamed milk. It's a sweet and chocolatey coffee drink. Cold coffee drinks can be served over ice. An iced Americano, iced mocha, and iced latte are cold variations of the hot coffees. Frappuccino. A frappuccino is a coffee drink made with ice, milk, coffee, and various flavors like chocolate, caramel, or fruit. It's mixed in a blender. Starbucks has other names for the cup sizes. This small cup is a tall coffee cup. A medium is a grande. The large size is called a venti. Let's go ahead and walk inside and order a cup of coffee and learn some English vocab in Starbucks.
What would you like to order today?
I'd like a latte, please.
What would you like to order today?
A cappuccino, please.
What would you like to order today?
A hot chocolate, please.
What size would you like your drink?
I'll take a grande, please.
What size would you like your drink?
Venti, please.
What size would you like your drink?
Make it a tall.
Would you like that hot or iced?
Iced, please.
Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot with room for cream.
What's your name for the order?
My name is John.
What's your name for the order?
You can use guest for the name.
What's your name for the order?
I'd rather not give my name.
What type of roast would you like for your brewed coffee?
Blonde, please.
What type of roast would you like for your brewed coffee?
Medium roast.
What type of roast would you like for your brewed coffee?
Dark roast, please.
Do you have a preferred milk for your coffee?
Regular milk.
Do you have a preferred milk for your coffee?
Soy milk, please.
Do you have a preferred milk for your coffee?
No milk, just black.
Would you like a shot of espresso in your iced coffee?
No, just regular iced coffee.
Would you like a shot of espresso in your iced coffee?
Make it a double shot.
Would you like a shot of espresso in your iced coffee?
I'll have decaf espresso.
Are you looking for a decaffeinated coffee option?
Yes, decaf please.
Are you looking for a decaffeinated coffee option?
Regular coffee, I need the caffeine.
Are you looking for a decaffeinated coffee option?
Decaf espresso, please.
Do you prefer a light, medium, or dark chocolate drizzle on your drink?
Light chocolate drizzle, please.
Do you prefer a light, medium, or dark chocolate drizzle on your drink?
Dark chocolate drizzle, please.
Do you prefer a light, medium, or dark chocolate drizzle on your drink?
I'd like caramel drizzle.
Do you want any syrups or flavorings in your drink?
Caramel syrup, please.
Do you want any syrups or flavorings in your drink?
Vanilla syrup.
Do you want any syrups or flavorings in your drink?
I'll take a sugar-free option.
Would you like a warm or cold butter croissant?
Warm croissant, please.
Would you like a warm or cold butter croissant?
Cold croissant, please.
Would you like a warm or cold butter croissant?
Surprise me with your recommendation.
Would you like your espresso single or double shot?
Double shot, please.
Would you like your espresso single or double shot?
Make it a triple shot.
Would you like your espresso single or double shot?
No espresso, just regular coffee.
Are you looking for a sweet or savory pastry today?
Sweet pastry, please.
Are you looking for a sweet or savory pastry today?
Something savory.
Are you looking for a sweet or savory pastry today?
I'm in the mood for a croissant.
Are you a Starbucks Rewards member?
Yes, I'm a member.
Are you a Starbucks Rewards member?
I forgot my card today.
Are you a Starbucks Rewards member?
How does the rewards program work? Did you like the video? Comment down below. See you in the next video.